NeoOffice is a program very similar to Microsoft Word. If you have no word processing program on your Mac computer, you may want to download this program to use when creating documents for your courses at PJC. Follow these easy instructions to get started with NeoOffice. Open a new web browser using Safari, Firefox, or whatever web browser you have installed on your Mac. In the browser bar, type in www.neooffice.org. Once you have the window open, you will see a page that looks like this one. Click on NeoOffice 3.0.1 Now Available in the middle of the screen. You will see that you have 4 formats here from which to choose. To figure out which format to choose, you will need to find out whether your Mac is an Intel or a PowerPC machine. In order to do that, follow these easy steps. Look down at your dock at the bottom of the desktop and click on the Finder. Once open, you will see a list on the left side of the window. Click on Applications. Now look at the list that appears in the Applications window and find Utilities. It's toward the bottom of your screen, and these are in alphabetical order. Click on Utilities. A new window will pop up. The new window will look like this one. Find System Profiler in the new window. These are not listed in alphabetical order, and on my computer it's at the top of the page. Click on System Profiler. Once you have clicked on System Profiler, you will see another new window that will have the following kind of information in it, such as your hardware. And this is the hardware overview. You have your model name, the model identifier, and the processor name. That's what you want to look at. This computer happens to be an Intel Core 2 Duo processor. Look and see what your computer has for a processor. This will determine which download you will click on in the NeoOffice download screen. Since my computer runs on an Intel processor, I will click on the NeoOffice 3.0.1 where it says Download for Mac Intel Machines. Let's go back to that screen. If your computer also has an Intel processor, you will click in the same place. However, if your computer has a PowerPC processor, you will click on the line next to NeoOffice 3.0.1 where it says Download for Mac PowerPC Machines. Go ahead and click on the correct download for your particular Mac computer. Once you do that, you will see another new window open. That window will look like this one. NeoOffice is virtually free for anyone who needs a program like this. However, each person who wants to download the program is asked to make a small donation. If you can afford to do this, please choose an amount you wish to donate from the drop-down list that appears in the same window. If for some reason you do not feel that you can afford to donate, then click on Skip Donation at the bottom of your screen. Another new window will pop up that will tell you that the NeoOffice file should start downloading automatically. That window will look like this one. Once NeoOffice begins downloading to your computer, you will notice that the download window will pop up on your screen. You can watch the progress of the download by watching it on the bar as it fills with color, and it will move towards the right. Once the download is complete, you will see the program listed in the Finder under Applications. Let's click on the Finder, and then click on Applications. Look down in the window and scroll till you see NeoOffice. There it is in alphabetical order. You should also now see an icon for NeoOffice on your dock. That icon will look like this one. If the icon does not show up on your dock, you can click on the icon in Applications. All you have to do is hold the mouse button down and drag the icon to the dock for easy access. And there you have it. You now have NeoOffice to use in creating documents.